Welcome to Gdynia. So yeah, a lot of people have asked if I would go to Gdynia and sort of make a video here. So this is just a kind of a short introduction today to my thoughts on this city. As you may well know or may not know, Gdynia is part of the Tri-City area here in Poland, which consists of Gdansk, Sopot and then Gdynia, in that order. And it's, in my view, one of the least visited. It's the one that everybody always forgets to go to. So people come to visit Gdansk, they go out drinking in Sopot or the beach in Sopot, and they kind of forget to come to Gdynia, which is why I named the video, is it Poland's most underrated city? A lot of people told me when I first moved here that Gdynia was a bit dull, drab, not much going on, not much to do. But as you can see from the background, Gdynia has some great architecture. It all came about from a small fishing village many years ago. And then people around Poland used to come here on holiday because of the beach and the nice forests and walks around here. After that, Gdynia got a port, a large port, so it became an economic hub for Poland. And then it was completely destroyed in the war, along with Gdansk. And when Gdynia rebuilt after the war, they extended that port, and now cruise ships come in there from all around the world. It's a city with, it's completely different to Gdansk. So you've got modern architecture around, some not so nice, some really great. Like just there behind me, that's Towers, which is, I believe, the 14th tallest residential building in Poland, and it is quite impressive to look at. Probably wouldn't want to buy an apartment there because it's quite expensive. But then here you've got some new apartments as well, and a lot of yachts, or some yachts in the marina behind me. This is one of two marinas here in Gdynia. So what do I like about Gdynia? It's got everything in sort of one place. You don't really need to travel far. So you come to this city, you can start off at the top, so right back up there, and you can go to the stadium, the football stadium, and then you can go to from the football stadium you can go to the shopping centre, Riviera, which is huge, and then you can come down to the bars, the restaurants and the cafes, of which there is plenty in Gdynia. Unfortunately, in this video I'm not going to visit any because everywhere's still closed. It's still locked down here, so unfortunately I can't show anybody around any cool places to go. Then you can come down further down and go along the beach bars and along to the beach, which is a really nice sandy beach, great in the summer. I will put some shots of a few little bits of Gdynia around the marina and around the beach in a second, just after I speak. But in all honesty, it's very quiet at the moment. As I just said, we're in lockdown, and it's still coming out of, like, we're just starting spring, so it's like, I think it's like April 18th or something today. So it is still quiet, and it's a Sunday, and it's very early in the morning. So that's why it doesn't look like there's lots of people about. But if you just imagine in the summer, this place is busy, lots of people around. Also on this video, what I've decided to do is I'm going to do a little giveaway. Never done one before. I just want to see how it goes. So I'll talk about that at the end, or maybe in the middle. So just watch a little bit of footage of this city, and then I will tell you how to win and what you can win. So yeah, thanks for watching once again. Here's some drone footage and some handheld footage just to show what the city's like, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, so yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it? What can you win? That's what you want to know. What can you win? So I'm going to give away some Gdynia merchandise, like those cloth bags and keyrings and postcards, magnets, what, you know, just some Gdynia merchandise with the logos on and maybe I love Gdynia kind of stuff. How can you win it? Very simple. Just click the subscribe button under this video, click the thumbs up button under this video, and in the comment section just write the word Gdynia. Then from all the comments, I will choose 1 week after this video has been uploaded. I will choose one randomly and I'll contact you, ask for your address, and I'll send this out anywhere in the world, doesn't matter where it is. Obviously it's coming from Poland, so if you are located somewhere else in the world other than Poland, it may take a while. Polish post isn't the best sometimes. Yeah, so make sure you are subscribed, make sure you do click the like button and comment with Gdynia. So just to sum up, make this quite a short video, let's just sum it up. If you're visiting Gdansk on holiday, or if you're Polish as well and you come into this area and you've never been before, please do stop by Gdynia, even if it's just for the day. You know, there's some great restaurants, some great food from all around the world, great bars and really nice people as well. Lots to see, lots to do. You've got museums here, tons and tons of museums, even a sea life centre, so you'll never be short of anything to do here. And just one more thing before I do go, Gdynia is host to one of the biggest music festivals in Europe, which is Opener Festival, and also has a massive air show every summer as well. So over the next few months, hopefully I'll be able to come back here when things open up, maybe come to a couple of restaurants, a couple of bars, and show what it's like when it's actually busy and lively in the summer. So yeah, once again, thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.